Meaning of Eleanor Roosevelt.
Eleanor Roosevelt.
Eleanor Roosevelt.
Eleanor Roosevelt.
Eleanor Roosevelt. Eleanor Roosevelt was an American political figure, diplomat, and activist who served as the First Lady of the United States from 1933 to 1945. She was married to President Franklin D. Roosevelt and played an active role in his presidency. Eleanor was known for her outspokenness and advocacy for civil rights and women's rights. She served as a delegate to the United Nations and helped draft the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In summary, Eleanor Roosevelt was a significant figure in American politics and a dedicated champion for social justice and human rights.